Are you a realtor looking to take your sales skills to the next level? This video is for you. Hey there, it's Kyle with Whissel Realty Group and eXp Realty in San Diego. And I have run into so many real estate agents who cannot sell to save their lives. They do something that I often refer to as feature dumping, where all they do is just walk through a house and, oh, look, this has granite counters. Oh, look, it has travertine floors. Oh, look, it has a cove ceiling. But they're just feature dumping over and over and over again when they walk through a house, or when they're meeting with a potential seller, they'll sit there and say, we're gonna do ads on Zillow, and we're gonna run ads on Facebook, and we're gonna do this pay-per-click, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do this. Those are all features. I learned a sales strategy when I first got started in the sales industry. I was working for an audio video company called Dow. And when I worked there, they taught me this amazing thing called Fabbing. F-A-B, feature, advantage, benefit. And it's completely changed the way that I sell. So an example of fabbing is, let's just say we're talking about those beautiful travertine floors that this home has. Okay, so the feature is the travertine floors. Well, what's the advantage of having travertine floors versus, let's say, carpet, right? Well, this home has these amazing natural stone travertine floors. These floors are one of the most durable floors that exist, as it's a natural stone. In addition, they're really, really easy to clean up. So the benefit to you is you're gonna have these amazing looking floors with minimal maintenance, and everybody who comes through your home is gonna fall in love with them. Feature, travertine floors. The advantage is they're a natural stone, they look amazing, they're easy to keep clean. The benefit is your home's gonna look amazing every time somebody walks through it. Another feature would be something like, hey, we're gonna run, just be careful about the Facebook demographics there. Let's say we're going to do a broker open house on your property so that we can ensure all of the local brokers in the area that sell homes have an opportunity to come see your home, so that they will call all of their potential buyers and bring them in here to come see your home and ultimately get it sold for the most money possible. It's always feature, advantage, benefit. What is it? What's the advantage of it? And what's the benefit to the person that you're talking to? So I want you to start thinking about everything that you do in your business, whether it's when you're touring a home, meeting with a potential buyer, meeting with a potential seller, meeting with a potential recruit. Are you fabbing things, feature, advantage, benefit? Or are you just feature dumping all over people? I promise you, when you start adding in that advantage and benefit of the things that you do or the things that you're pointing out to a potential client, you're going to take your sales skills to that next level. You're going to start closing people because you're actually helping them understand the advantages and benefits of all these features you're dumping all over them. So I hope that this tip was useful for you. If you're looking for additional tips on how to take your sales skills to that next level, I'd love for you to join us at thewhisselway.com. You can ask us questions on there to have us answer on our podcast, which you can subscribe to via that link. You can also join our Facebook group and ask questions in there and learn more about some of the things we're working on inside of our business. You can join our referral network. We've got a ton of people leaving California right now. We'd love to have some great agents to refer them to. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can find out about upcoming events like our Media Mayor Mastermind, which is a killer event where we take everything that my videographer Brian and I have learned over the last 6 years of shooting videos, condense it into a nice tight little package and deliver it to you and shortcut that learning curve so you can crush it in video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on thewhisselway.com.